Okay, so this is the back of the screen here, what you're looking at. When you get the front of it, it should look a little something like this. I have, just for this demonstration, I have already put in this LED strip here. There's adhesive backing on it that will stick here. This is the brightness button, which will slide in here. You get this in before you slide in the screen. You then have your LED power and screen power switches here, respectively. So, starting with the screen power, you're going to want to find the USB harness that has a micro USB connector on it. This plugs into the power over here. You'll be able to read on the screen where it says power and touch. Do not plug it into touch unless we are using touch capabilities. But for this demonstration, you'll just be plugging it into power. Now, this end we'll save for later. This attaches to the power distribution plates later. But with this, simply plug in one end over here and the other end over there. That is the power for the screen. You then have these wires here, which are for the LEDs. Now, the LEDs, you will not get them like this. This should already become pre-assembled, and you should just have to glue the LEDs in there. But nothing like a little demonstration. So, to put it simply, a 12-volt positive goes here. And that is the back of the screen wired and ready to go. The only other thing that you're going to have to include is an HDMI cable. In total, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 wires running back to the bottom of the high school smart case.